What if Storm Pegasus and Lightning L-Drago faced off in episode 13 of Beyblade Metal Fight in real life? Will Jenga's rage translate into real life? We'll see if he has enough energy to knock out L-Drago and win. First of 3 wins. Let's go! And Pegasus starts it off with a sleep out, putting him in the lead. Amazing barrage attacks by Storm Pegasus. One more and he wins. And L-Drago gets a mode change. And there Pegasus does it again, making it look easy. You know what? We'll give L-Drago one more compensation round. And he just can't handle the heat Pegasus brings. And that's a victory for Storm Pegasus.